Are you looking for ways to supplement your primary income by making fast and easy money online? Or do you want to work on your own terms and go full time online because you're sick of having low income? Oh, well, you're not the only one who feels that way. What if I tell you the secrets of how you can generate money online effortlessly on the side, at the comfort of your home, or make a living through online sites with just a quick click and snap of your hands, and boom, you get to earn as much as $600. Yes, $600. And guess what? These secrets are not new to you because you've been doing this ever since you got smartphones. From playing along with some music, visiting websites, and reading messages. That's good news, right? Yes, indeed. There are a lot of options to start earning easy money online, and that is right now. But before anything else, I would like to welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. I'm your Online Money Girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to earn money online regardless of background and expertise. If you're into that, please tap the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop with the latest money-making news. If there are some online earning opportunities from home that you would like us to feature, let me know in the comments because I appreciate those. Now, are you ready to earn your first easy money as fast as a snap? Without further ado, let's get down to business. The first application that can give you passive income is called Money SMS app. Yes, you've heard it right, making easy money through SMS. Let me give you the details about this. Money SMS is a paid SMS application that allows you to earn money just by receiving text messages. In a nutshell, paid SMS providers must test network performance in various locations throughout the world. To do so, they'll have to send real SMS messages to different devices. According to Money SMS, a lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send test messages to international countries to check and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid since they use your phone number to provide such testing services. So, if you're willing to receive random text messages in return for small amounts of passive income, this app is perfect for you. Want to know how this works and how this app turns out to be your gateway to earning money? First, download the Money SMS app on your device. Once you have downloaded it, open the application, and the second step is to register your phone number and make sure to type the country code correctly so you can be registered successfully. However, if you didn't find your country during the registration, it only means that Money SMS isn't available in your country at the moment. And sometimes the registration is rejected because some specific countries already have enough active users, so the list of countries that are eligible changes over time. So once you're already registered, you are now on the third step where you can now receive text messages and earn. Money SMS will send you messages like jumbled letters and numbers, and sometimes links, and they will send that to you regularly. But you don't have to reply or even open it because this is just a test message after all. Fun fact: Money SMS directly tells you not to reply. Yes, as easy as that. Just by receiving messages on a regular basis, you can earn 0.02 euros for every SMS you will receive. And I will leave you to do the math on how much you can earn per year using Money SMS. Imagine you just have to click that SMS away to earn, and you'll soon cash out your earnings. What an app to keep an eye of! Stay tuned for the last few minutes since this is where I'll finally discuss the two other sites that will allow you to earn easy money by listening to music and gaming. Also, keep your eyes glued on the screen and pay attention to everything I say because I want you to get it right. If you closely follow this video step by step, you'll be doing a huge favor to yourself by saving time and energy as opposed to accomplishing this on your own. Another website that will surely give you earnings is called Cash Magnet. What about this site? Well, let me give you some details about it. Cash Magnet is basically a website that converts your phone into a traffic network node, and in exchange for running it, you get paid a small percentage of the traffic value of your phone. How does this work? Well, first, install the application on your device. Once downloaded, open it and allow the application to run on your device. The second step is to download games to level up. Yes, you need to download games for you to level up your stand. Cash Magnet is a fun way to earn money while you sleep. However, before you can start making money, you must first level up your Cash Magnet account. As I was saying a while ago, you needed to download different games and play it to up-notch your rank. At the end of the day, it doesn't just make money by selling mobile traffic. In fact, to generate extra passive runtime for your phone, the program requires you to download sponsored games. And of course, the third step is to run and earn. You can enable Cash Magnet to start earning points once you've installed a few games. It may take a bit for the app to load, but once it does, your phone will start accessing other websites and seeing advertisements until your passive runtime expires. You can restart the process after 24 hours have passed. Your Cash Magnet account will accumulate points, and the higher your level, the more you earn per hour. And finally, you can now redeem your rewards once you get at least $1. Yes, just $1, you can actually redeem it. Easy peasy. Cash Magnet is truly a magnet of cash, isn't it? Anyway, if this video thrills you and gives you the best content on how to earn easy money online, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to never miss out on money-making content we upload. And for the last app that will surely give you easy money, I want you to take this down so you can do it correctly and never miss out on any chances from earning on this app. And I'm talking about the trending and current app. An app that will give you bucks in your hands. Current app is basically like other streaming devices. But what's different about the Current app is that it pays you while you listen and enjoy your playlist. Yep, as easy as that. How will you earn through this app? You will get some points per song that you play, and these points will be converted into gifts or cash. Take note, you just need a decent internet connection and visit the website or download the app and browse music as long as you want. The more songs you listen to, the more you can earn. What a combination of pleasure and earning. Well, I might as well grab my device and listen to my favorite songs and boom, instant penny maker. If you found value in this video and would like to know more money-making hacks online, make sure you're in the loop when we upload a new video. Give us a huge thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the notification bell icon. Don't forget to comment below on what kind of other money-making methods you want to see next time. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you and your time as always. This is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next money-making video.